Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT, Germany's gross domestic product at 6 GMT, the French business climate in manufacturing at 6:45 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. China's FDI at 9 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes fell as investors awaited monetary policy clues from the Federal Reserve's annual economic symposium, while big box retailer Walmart's quarterly results dampened sentiment. MetaMask said it will launch a dollar-backed stablecoin called MetaMask USD. MetaMask said that the stablecoin will be issued by Bridge, an issuance and orchestration platform for stablecoins that was acquired by Stripe. Oil prices rose by nearly $1 a barrel as Russia and Ukraine blamed each other for a stalled peace process, and as earlier US data showed signs of strong demand in the top oil-consuming nation.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.7% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.